Hello everyone, welcome back to illphocorphics with another video. Today we're going to see how to create professional YouTube thumbnails in Photoshop. I'm going to show you all the process of creating this kind of dynamic and eye-catchy YouTube thumbnails in Photoshop, so that if you want to create, you can follow my steps and easily create them in Photoshop. So watch the video until the end to learn how to create this kind of dynamic looking eye-catchy YouTube thumbnails. And also, if you want to create YouTube thumbnails from me, you can just contact me on Fiverr. So without any talking too much, let's start the video. Now we're here in the magical world of Photoshop, and I have already removed the background to just save the time. And also I take an background for today's project. And if you want to download all the images that I use in this video, you can just check the link in the description and download them. Now first we're going to take a full HD size of blank document. You can just create a new blank document. After creating the document, now first we're going to create our background. So just take the background image and put it in the main composition. Adjust the size of the background image and fit it with the document. And after that, take the model image and put it into the main document and adjust the size again. After that, apply Gaussian blur to the background. After applying Gaussian blur to the background, now we're going to make some adjustments with the model image and fit it with the canvas. So follow my steps and do the same. After all the adjustment, take a title that you want to put in your thumbnail. Just take it and then adjust the size, and take a font that match perfectly with your thumbnail and make the adjustment to make it bigger. After putting the text into the background, now we're going to apply a word to the text. After that, I created some of the 3D social media icon that I can put them into my design. So if you want to download all these 3D icons, just check the link in the description. I'm going to put them to download. Now apply all the social media icon perfectly into the design and adjust the size and see which is perfect, and give them very small and bigger looking to give that hierarchy on the design. After applying all the icon into the design, now we're going to apply motion blur to give that motion look into some of the icons. So just adjust the motion and see which is perfect. So just take your time and then apply it, but don't apply too much. Now after applying motion blur into our icon, now we're going to give glowing effect into our all of icons. So just take your time and apply my steps to give that glowing effect into our all of icons. So just take time and apply it perfectly. Now after applying glowing effect to the all of social media icon and make some adjustment with the background, now we're going to give a screening glowing look to give that this kind of directional light from the monitor of the laptop. So just take your time and apply that same effect as like me and give that dynamic looking, and also it's going to be give that kind of look that it's coming from the laptop. So just take your time and apply the same effect like me. Now after applying all the effect to our social media icon and also screen, now we're going to apply the glowing effect into our model. So just take your time and apply the glowing effect into the model properly. Just follow my steps and do the same like me. Now after applying glowing effect to the model, now we're going to apply text effect into our text. Just apply any kind of text and see which is perfect and which make that thumbnail more good looking. Just do some of the experiment and see which is perfect. Now you can see we're almost done. Now final effect, we're going to apply color grading using the camera filter. Just press Shift plus Control plus Alt plus E to create a snapshot, and if you're using Mac, you need to press Shift plus Command plus Option plus E to create a snapshot. After that, convert the layer into smart object and apply camera filter. Now in camera filter, do all the experiment and see which is perfect for you and which make pleasure to your eye and give that kind of attractive look on your thumbnail. So just do all the experiment and see which is perfect. And now you can see we are almost done and we have created our thumbnail and it's looking very eye-catchy and attractive looking. Now I just show you all of the process of creating this kind of eye-catchy YouTube thumbnails in Photoshop, and I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, hit that like button and also let me know your opinion in the comment section below, and share the video with your friends so that they can also know about my channel and support my channel to grow. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel and stay with my channel by pressing bell icon, because in future I'll get to come up with more professional YouTube thumbnails for you. And also if you want to create YouTube thumbnails for me, just be sure to check out my Fiverr profile. I will be there for you to help you. So that's it for today. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. And the most important thing, as I always say, keep learning.